Hello dear coloring friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the Love Spell coloring book by Ukrainian artist Diana. You can find her on Instagram as Moon and Hunter. This is a postcard size book, so you can color these illustrations and give it to your friends and relatives as a postcards for the Valentine's Day. The paper in this book is smooth. If you want to purchase this book, I will put the links to Diana's Instagram and site at the description. I won't color some picture from this book in this video. So let's start to coloring. So let's see the final results. I did 2 pages in this book. First, it's the name page. I used distress ink for the background. I like to experiment with backgrounds. Also, I added metallic watercolor. I like these small simple pages because it's easy and fast to color. The second page that I did, it's cats with a cake. I used the same technique for the background and the same colors. For the cake and strawberries I used Prismacolor pencils, and also I added stickles on the hearts. I like how it turned out, a little bit creepy but cute cats. I used traditional colors for the Valentine's Day, reds and pinks. So thank you for watching, happy Valentine's Day, and see you in the next video.